Hi everyone, so today I want to make this video on how to install an exterior mounted propane attachment for your barbecue grill. I've been wanting to do this for quite some time now, and I finally just decided to just buy the parts. It's really just a few parts that you really need, and it's very cost effective and inexpensive. There's different ways and different attachments that they sell. I selected something that I feel that would work for me. The problem what I'm having is barbecue grill that I have is a Coleman, small little Roadmaster road grill, and I have the little exterior mounted hose that attaches to a 5-gallon propane bottle. So I want to eliminate having to have an extra propane tank. So, and at the same time, I don't want to use the propane tanks right off the side here of the fifth wheel. That's dealing with disconnecting them to plug in the barbecue grill, etc. So I'm just going to go ahead and T-tap right off of the existing line, show you the parts that I purchased, and super inexpensive. I literally spent like, I don't know, 15 bucks or something for all these parts, or less. Anyhow, so I'll go through with them and kind of show you what I'm going to do and go from there. So the very first thing that I'm going to do here, what I'm going to be doing here, I'm going to disconnecting this section here. I'm going to be adding a T. Coming out of the T here, dropping a low 90 right below here, and it connects. So I've actually kind of pre-assembled it already. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to right at the bottom, this is the very front here. I have the propane tank here, got the line that comes out the bottom, goes soft line, connects to a rigid pipe. I'm going to disconnect here, add a T, reconnect this attachment, and come back, set my little connection point here. I'll show you here what I've done. This is something that I purchased off of Home Depot, and a T nipple came down, just a little valve to shut it down when I'm not using it. I can shut it and close it just in case this one by any chance starts leaking. So secondary valve. Essentially this is gonna go something like that, right? I'm sure yours might be very similar, might be slightly different. You might want to put it in a different location. I'm putting mine right at the very front of the actual fifth wheel, but let's start off by just disconnecting these. Giving myself a little bit of room here, so I have a little bit of room. I shouldn't have to disconnect that side. Should be able to work with it from right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and loosen this up. So yeah, basically I got this loose up. I'm gonna continue backing this up, bring this down. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna re-Teflon this area up right here, just with Teflon tape. And I'm gonna add this guy here. Right, I'll tighten it up, and then reattach this hose. Right, so I added this nipple back on, or this fitting up onto the nipple. I went ahead and added Teflon right on here. So now I'm going to start screwing it together. And I'm just using channel locks, right? So actually Nipix, these two pairs, grab one on each side, grab one here, lock it in, and then I'll move on to the next step. Alright, so I do have it already real tight here. It's still not going straight, but what I'm going to do is, before I do this, I'm going to add this guy here. I'm going to lock it in, and then once I lock it in, I'm going to lock it up and raise it to the elevation that I need it, so it's nice and plumb. Call it good. Okay, so this is the final product. I reattached that. I did add the secure points back up. This is pretty sturdy, pretty solid, rigid, it's tight. So, I mean, it's got a little tiny bit of give. I could always add another support right here. I really feel like there's really no need for it though. So that's essentially how it is. But I don't want to bring it down because it's going to hang down about a couple of inches this way. There, it's pointed back. I still need to get a cap for for this. It's not protruding where it, someone could bump it. And then I do have my connection point here, so I'll be able to connect here. It's a little tough with one hand, but there you go. There you go. That would be my connection. When I need the line on, turn it on. This is a ball valve, half-inch ball valve. So yeah, that would be off there. That's on. I don't need it now. If I'm not barbecuing, I can shut it down, and I can still have all these guys here. I could keep them running. Have the propane going. Turn it off. Yeah. So all I gotta do now is just basically do a leak test with some soapy water in a spray bottle. Verify that I have no leaks, which I'm pretty sure I have not, but just to confirm, and that'll be it. Easy as that. I'll have my connection point for my Coleman road trip grill. Okay, so this is a little trial, still kind of in the bag, but I got it all hooked up. We should be all good. The valve is open. Here, I got it connected. Should be working. Let's see here. There it is. Flame is on. I'll shut it down. It's still in the bag. Just wanted to. Yeah. Perfect. So I'll just shut this down. Disconnect this. We're all good. Whenever next time I set it up, I can just plug it right in, set it right outside the pedestal, in its own pedestal, and we'll be good. This is by just FYI, this is a Heartland. It's an older 20